guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool speed motion blur video effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to the part where the person starts moving here to there, like here maybe, and I'm just going to split that, and I'm actually going to start like further in like this, so the part where they're walking, and then also here when she's walking here. It's like probably until the end of the video, or like maybe when she stops here. So I'm going to actually speed up these clips where there's like movement. Of course you're going to want to have a better clip than this, but like I could not find like a better clip. So just like speed it up to your liking. If it's not too fast, if it's not fast enough, just adjust it here. And then, okay, I think this one's a little bit too fast, so I'm just going to adjust that. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and this is where you're going to make things smoother. Select motion blur. Select 100 for the blur and blend, and select the direction to both, and select the times to once. And just wait for it to process, and it's going to create this like smooth blur when they move, like when they walk. And this is what it should look like. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!